Want a career in cannabis? Go to SUNY Morrisville. We intend to ride the crest of that wave as far as we can. We hope that we can frame this opportunity in a way that is both measured and timely.
I mostly want to thank Morrisville, one of the early pioneers. When we started down this path 5 years ago, they were one of the first colleges to step up and say, we will vouch for this research. I want to thank those of you who are in the business already, those processors and growers and potential people who do manufacturing. You, in my view, are the heroes of this story. You are the risk takers. You're the people who stepped up.
The goal of my research is to get this crop back into more prevalent rotation within the state of New York. Honestly, I think that that's the most important thing we can do right now is work on this supply chain and getting everybody put together.
We've been starting to do a bunch of different things. So we have the cannabis industry minor has been approved. There are classes that are being developed right now. We have a class being taught this fall, Canna 101. So the students, they're learning how to do everything from seed to finish, or cloning to finish.
We wanted the partnership with Morrisville. Being, like I said, that we're a local processor, we're going to be able to compare this immediate area with farmers. We're going to be very front-facing with the farmers. The benefits of CBD across the board have been proven for so many things. I think we're way ahead of the wave, and it's a great thing.